Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here on the Guilford Green in Guilford, Connecticut with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to practice with a tree that you would like to know better. That's where I am. It's after dark. It's pretty hard for you to see the tree, but maybe you can feel it. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get to know the tree through my practice. I'm not going to tell you how to do that, but I imagine there are near infinite ways of doing it. So perhaps just accept the invitation. Find a tree that you'd like to know better and see if perhaps that tree doesn't get to know you better through that practice. So thank you very much. Appreciate it. And send out some shoots, drop some seeds, come into flower.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.